Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got an unboxing. This is Jones by Estetica in the color SilversunRT8. I have never had Jones before, and I've actually been a little apprehensive about this style. I didn't really know if it was going to be for me, but I wanted to review it for you. One of the wig sisters at Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group was selling hers, and she just tried it on. Didn't work for her. She put it back in the box, and I purchased it from her with tags attached and all of that. So thank you so much for that, and you know who you are. Hi. However, I will leave the link to Jones available at wigstudio1.com. It's available in many colors, and I will leave it linked down there for you. But I just couldn't pass a deal. I just couldn't pass it. All right, let's take a look at it. Yeah, I love buying wigs from her because they're always impeccable. Sometimes I do buy wigs that don't have the tag attached, but I'm just really careful who I buy the wigs from. Just be careful if you go on any of those Facebook pages, and there's lots of buy-sell places on there. Just be careful whom you buy from, because once you have it, that's it. There's no going back. I only purchase wigs from 1, 2, maybe 3 different ladies that are also members of the Facebook group, and I consider them friends, so I know that I can trust them and how I'm going to get the wigs. But Estetica always has 30% off at Wig Studio One, so you can really get a good price even if you purchase it brand new. We'll see how this looks. I hope I can wear it because I think the style is so pretty. All right, here it is, SilversunRT8. And what we have here are real choppy layers, which we'll really take a look at once I have it on. I'll show you the cap. This is a basic cap wig. We don't have a lace front. We don't have a monofilament top. Thing there. Actually, I thought it was going to have a ton of permatease. There is a bit more right around the crown, but I was really expecting tons of permatease, and I'm not feeling it. We have open ear tabs, and we have an open extended nape with Velcro adjusters. Estetica has a very stretchy cap. They stretch up a little bit more than some of the other brands, and this is no different. With a basic cap, you usually have a little bit more stretch than you have with maybe one with a monofilament top. Not always, but that's sometimes the case. Let's give it a shake. I did take out some Tressolure wig wax and some Estetica sea salt spray. Maybe we could do a little bit of styling. Run the wide tooth comb through it. This color, SilversunRT8, this is an ice blonde, but it also has some sand running through, so we do have dimension. And then we have a golden brown root. I agree with the description. It's ice. It is ice blonde, but it also has that sand, which makes it look really, really pretty and very icy on the bottom. I'm going to have to trim the bangs. So for right now, I'm just gonna smooth them. I'll just bring this back. Oh, this is really cute. Really, really cute. I'm going to take some sea salt spray from Estetica. This adds texture to it. This style is not meant to be salon as if you just left the salon. This is more of a messy look, very casual. We do have a little bit of permatease, but it is not in abundance as I thought it was going to be. Oh my goodness, yes. Great everyday throw and go. Very, very cute. I'll still trim the bangs. I will definitely be keeping this one. I love these styles. Not a whole lot needs to be done to it. And the density is relatively light. We don't have a high density here. I'll show you Jones on all sides, and then we'll see how we could do maybe a little bit of extra styling. I'm going to take some wig wax from Tressalor. I love this stuff because this it serves as a very light hairspray, if you will, while still giving some texture. If you love these real choppy layers, textured waves, and the fringe or the bang is nice and wispy, definitely really like this one. All right, what do we have here? We have a bang of 4 1/4 inch, and I believe that my forehead is only 2.5 inches, and that's why the fringe is so long on me. We have sides of 7 inches. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. So the sides are 7 inches. They're probably a little bit longer than the specs that Estetica gives us. We have a crown of 7 inches, and we have a nape of 4 3/4. So a really nice length. If your face is shorter than mine, then Jones will appear a little bit longer on you. If your face is longer than mine, then Jones will appear a little bit shorter. Just bear in mind that we also have to take into consideration the width of our faces, because sometimes that it contributes to how long or how short a wig will be. I know some of my friends have a 9-inch face, but it's narrow, while I have a shorter face, the 7 3/4, but my face is wider. So even though their face is 9 inches, the wig will appear shorter on me than on them because of the width of my face. Something else that we want to keep in mind. All right, we do have low density and can easily tuck it. So we could wear it that way. Wear it with a headband. We don't have a monofilament top. We don't have a part, but I think it looks really nice. I think it's done very well. Put a little clip on it. I love the color. Even though it's not a long piece, we could still do a few things with it. Could hold it back. If you like a little bit of a poof on top. If you're like me and you love the lace front and you love the monofilament, I don't think you're going to miss it with this style. It's a real fun style. Very nice. Let's take a walk outside so you can see SilversunRT8 out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Let's go ahead and trim these bangs because I am keeping this wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the bang. I'm going to give it a little twist, and less is more, and I'm just going to trim on the very end about 1/2 inch. If I need to cut some more, I will. Okay, we need to cut a little bit more. Grab it to the middle, give it a twist. Grab this middle. And I'm wearing black pants. So you know I've got white hair all over me. All right, that did it. I like it like that. I think that's perfect. So just grab it from either side, do a little twist, and just snip a little bit at the bottom. Check it out and see then if you need some more, and then do it again. Better to go slow because this hair doesn't grow back. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know what you think about SilversunRT8. Let me know what you think about Jones. Is this a style that you would consider? I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving if you celebrate Thanksgiving. And I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.